Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT account on Android. So guys, at first go to your Gmail and you need to log in your Gmail account which is associated with GTP account, and then click on Compose. Here you need to enter this Gmail account. And in this object, what you need to write is account deletion. And in the next compose section, you need to write please delete my account, and then click on send, and your email has been sent to ChatGPT support successfully. Now after some time your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.